So here's our problem this time. Worn out belt, excessively worn out belt, due to friction probably between the buckle and the belt, which made the belt virtually unusable, unsafe. Okay, so what do? First off, you remove the covers, the B-pillar cover and the chassis cover. And let's see what we have to deal with. Oh. Opa, easy. I think that takes care of it. So here's what we have to deal with. A roller with an integrated pretensioner. And, well, in this case it's better to replace the whole mechanism with a new one. I mean, the way the seat belt has worn out, it's really better, the best solution to change everything, have a new seat belt from the factory. Nothing beats the factory quality, and have everything replaced. So a second solution would be to change the seat belt only and leave the mechanism and the pretensioner the same. So you can find any other seat belt in good condition, a seat belt that hasn't been used in a crash. You have to check that too, and you can replace this seat belt on the original mechanism. So that's the solution we're going to try to do. We're going to try and take out the old seat belt and insert a new seat belt we found on the existing roller. Insert a new seat belt on the existing roller. So let's get on with it. Oh yeah. All right. Okay, so now that we removed the loop from the roller, we're free to move on with the rest of the belt. We're going to use this old belt. That's the old belt. We've got the defective part here, and we're going to use it as a guide to pull in our new belt. Pull in the new belt here. Okay, the new belt, which is this one. All right, beautiful. And we're going to make a beautiful loop here in the edge. Okay, we're going to pass the metal pin. Pass the metal pin, and it's going to be like that. Beautiful. So first off, we get the buckle in like that, and then we're going to connect these two parts like this. We're going to connect these two parts like this, and pulling one from the shoulder support up and through the guide, we're going to bring it all the way down here to the roller, and hopefully into the roller in one piece. Okay. Excellent. Oop. Excellent guy. Excellent. Okay, finally, here's the loop, the folding and the loop for the pin, for the safety pin to go inside the roller. So after a little bit of fiddling around, and it gave us a little bit of hard time, we managed to pass it through the slot and secure it in place with the pin and the edge over there. And now you can let it roll back gently. You can you can gently let it roll back, and we're good to go, basically. Let's see. This and this goes here. And that's it. Looking good. Okay, that's it. We're done. We can put back the covers and everything will be back in place. And it works fine. And it locks, and it also locks perfectly. So that's it. It's worth mentioning once more that this is not the indicated solution to this problem. Of course, if you can afford the new mechanism, always go for that. Always place your safety first. Never go for a hack like this. This hack will also work. However, it doesn't have the guarantee of a factory in the roller. Okay, there is a guarantee in this section. Those stitches were made by machine, probably covering some safety specifications. However, the stitches we've done in the roller, in the other side, on the loop, they are made by hand, and you have the only guarantee you have is your job, your handwork. So yeah, I don't recommend this solution. Definitely go for the original part. It'll be much safer. You'll be better off with the original part. However, if for any reason you can't afford the original part, yeah, that will work too. This will work too. This solution will work too. It's worth mentioning again the connector to the pretensioner. Never disconnect this connector with a battery connected to the vehicle. If you need to disconnect it, always disconnect the battery from the vehicle. And thank you for watching.